guys, so in today's video I am showing you my recipe for my chocolate chip banana bread. It was requested in the comments, so I had to do it for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I do my chocolate chip banana bread, just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And the ingredients call for 3 bananas, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour or flour, whatever, and then 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. And then you're just going to go ahead and grease your pan. You can use some cooking spray. I just use some butter, works just as well. And I'll have everything, all the ingredients and everything listed down below for you guys. Okay, so I'm right here, I'm just measuring out my butter, and then I'm going to go pop it in the microwave. I put it in there for about a minute to make sure everything was melted. And then you're going to go ahead and put your bananas in a large bowl and mash them all together until it's completely smooth. Or just get out as many lumps as you can. Mine was still a little bit lumpy, but that's fine. Just get it as smooth as you can. Excuse my brother behind me. And there you go. It should look something like this. Alright, so I went ahead and added the sugar, the eggs, the baking powder, vanilla extract, basically all the ingredients, and just blend them all together. Not blend, but mix. I didn't realize like the salt was like that, so it was kind of hard to get a pinch out. And then go ahead and add your flour. And go ahead and mix all of that together until it forms not quite a dough consistency, but like it's like thicker than cake batter, but less than dough, if that makes sense. But just go ahead and blend it together. It should look something like that. And then go ahead and fold in your chocolate chip cookies. Go ahead and fold in your chocolate chips, as many or as less as you like. It just depends on your preference. I personally like a lot of chocolate chips. And just go ahead and pour that into your baking pan. And this is like a loaf pan, if that makes sense. So something like this shape would be best, so it comes out in like a loaf shape. And I'm just smoothing the top down, and I put on some chocolate chips on top before I popped it in the oven. And you're going to want to bake this for 50 minutes to an hour, or until You can check it by sticking like a toothpick in it, and then when it comes out clean with like nothing on it, then it's ready. You'll see me check it right here. It looks amazing, guys, and it was amazing. So you just pop that toothpick right in there, and it came out clean, so it was ready. And this was like 50 minutes, just depends on your oven. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.